the Aerospace Department of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, one of the premier educational and research institutes in the country, where the Autonomous Helicopter Laboratory is present. We were both surprised and excited to see helicopters just a tad bigger than the ones we played with in our childhood. The driven team of scientists here, having achieved many important milestones in the field of mini and micro UAVs, have developed the first unmanned automatic single-rotor helicopter of its kind. Fit to custom-made requirements, everything from design to the production of its parts has been developed in this laboratory of IIT itself. Take for instance the single-rotor aircraft that flies on an internal combustion engine system running on petroleum fuel. Now, how could we resist the ready joy of a mini helicopter's flight? Once we arrived at the runway of the Aerospace Department set along its laboratory, we realized that there are only a few educational or research institutes in the country that have such facilities. Developments in aviation technology, including testing of gliders and mini aerial vehicles, are conducted here. Only the researchers were ready to fly the mini helicopter. Its engine revved with a helicopter-like sound. The pilot maneuvered the controls on his remote, and there, this small plane lifted itself up instantly. Just as we were enjoying this sight, this single-rotor aircraft soon flew upside down in the air, a first of its kind. How can this drone technology be beneficial? According to scientists, the large wings keep it stable during strong winds, while it carries a weight of 3 to 4 kg, flying for 2.5 to 3.5 hours at a stretch. Regarded as a major feat in drone innovation, these advanced features can prove to be very useful in internal security, disaster relief delivery, and other rescue operations. Under the development of drone technology, IIT Kanpur Aerospace Department has developed several advanced technologies under the cross-platform operation in the country, one of which is the Prahari, an autonomous drone equipped with an advanced autopilot system with drone catching net, capable of handling sudden changes in weight and inertia. True to its name, Prahari can patrol sensitive zones for hours, while it chases, outruns, and captures a rock drone in its nets. The triumph doesn't stop here. Although the rotary winged vehicle and vertical takeoff and landing capable aerial systems have stolen the limelight, the futuristic vertical axis wind turbines are not far behind. For example, the high-endurance tandem rotor UAV Navik for aerial logistics. This 12 kg load UAV with a capacity to lift 10 kg is powered by a 4-stroke, 2-stroke gasoline engine.